Good morning, children. Welcome to mathematics class. So what we discussed in the previous class, that is about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. Lesson number 2. We will use some words in our daily life that also indicates the about numbers. For example, Pratiksha stood first rank in her class. First indicates 1. Rahim is Rahim is sitting in second bench of his class. Sitting in second bench in his class. So second indicates 2. Like this we will see many examples in our daily life, like 5th, 4th, I am studying in 8th class, I am studying in 2nd class, he is studying in 6th class. So 6th, 1st, 5th, 7th, 18th, 12th, 20th. These are the words which indicates the numbers. So like these numbers are called as ordinal numbers. And yesterday in the previous class I told you to by heart the spellings of 1st, 2nd, 3rd up to 10th. Once again I will repeat this. First, that is F-I-R-S-T, first. Okay. S-C-O-N-D, second. F-I-R-S-T, first. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Third, T-H-I-R-D, third. T-H-I-R-D, third. Fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. S-I-X-T-H, sixth. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. N-I-N-T-H, ninth. Again, T-E-N-T-H, 10th. Okay, these are all the ordinal numbers. Once again, F-I-R-S-T, first. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. T-H-I-R-D, third. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. S-I-X-T-H, sixth. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. N-I-N-T-H, ninth. N-I-N-T-H, ninth. T-E-N-T-H, 10th. These are all the ordinal numbers from 1st to 10th. Today we will see the ordinal numbers from 11th to 20th. E-L-E-V-E-N-T-H, E-L-E-V-E-N-T-H, 11th. T-W-E-L-F-T-H, 12th. See, this is little different. T-W-E-L-F-T-H, T-W-E-L-F-T-H, 12th. Next, Eleventh, 12th. Next 13th, Thirteenth, 13th. Next 14th, Fourteenth, 14th. Next Fifth, 15th. Sixteenth, 16th. Seventeenth, 17th. Eighteenth, 18th. Nineteenth. Twentieth. See, these have given in your textbook also, page number 176. Open it and read along with me. Okay. Writing ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are used to tell the order of position of things. Numbers such as first, second, third, and many more are ordinal numbers. We have already discussed about first to 10th ordinal numbers in our previous class. Now we will learn ordinal numbers from 11th to 20th. Ordinal numbers and representation. Eleventh, 11th. Eleventh, 11th. Twelfth, 12th. So there is a pronunciation of F. Twelfth, 12th. Next 13th, Thirteenth. 13th. 13 spelling you know. After that you should add th as a suffix. Thirteenth. 13th. Next Fourteenth. You know that. After that you write th. So Fourteenth. 14th. Then 15th. Fifth. 15th. Sixteenth. 16th. Seventeenth. 17th. Eighteenth. 18th. Nineteenth. But 9 what? How we will write? Ninth. Ninth. But 19 is Nineteenth. This is 19th. Keep it in your mind. Ninth, Ninth. Ninth. 19th. Same. Ninth. 19th. 20th. Twentieth. Eth you should write. Twentieth. IE you should add there. Twent 20 how you should write? Twenty you used to write for 20. Instead of Y, you write I. 20th. E-N-T-H. 20th. Sorry, not N. I-E-T-H you should add. T-W-E-N-T-I-E-T-H. Here you should add I-E. T-W-E-N-T-I-E-T-H. 20th. Once again I will repeat this. Along with me you also repeat. From 1st to 20th. F-I-R-S-T first. S-E-C-O-N-D second. T-H-I-R-D third. F-O-U-R-T-H fourth. F-I-F-T-H fifth. S-I-X-T-H sixth. S-E-V-E-N-T-H seventh. E-I-G-H-T-H eighth. N-I-N-T-H ninth. T-E-N-T-H tenth. Next L1 to 20th. E-L-E-V-E-N-T-H eleventh. T-W-E-L-F-T-H 12th. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N-T-H 13th. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N-T-H 14th. F-I-F-T-E-E-N-T-H 15th. S-I-X-T-E-E-N-T-H 16th. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N-T-H 17th. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N-T-H 18th. N-I-N-E-T-E-N-T-H 19th. T-W-E-N-T-I-E-T-H. T-W-E-N-T-H, not N here. T-W-E-N-T-I-E-T-H, that is 20th. Okay, this is all about ordinal numbers. You should by heart the spelling from 1st to 20th. Comparing ordinal numbers. Look at the sentence and fill in the blanks. I love mathematics. Dash is the third letter of the sentence. Which is the third letter of the sentence? I will write this on the board. You also write in this box. I will not the right sentence. I will just put the box. How many box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. First one. Dash is the third letter of the sentence. Which is third letter in this? O. Write in this O. Second one. Dash is the 11th letter of the sentence. So count this. I love mathematics. So 11th box, search it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11th box is, letter is M. Third one, dash is the first letter of the sentence. That is I. Dash is the 7th letter of the sentence. 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A is the 7th letter of sentence. Dash is the second letter of the sentence. Which is the second letter? L is the second letter. Dash is the 16th letter of the sentence. So count up to 16th. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 30th, 14th, 15th and 16th is S. Last one. Next, dash is the 12th letter of the sentence. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. 12th is A. Next is the 14th letter of the sentence. 14 is I. Again, dash is the 4th letter of the sentence. First, second, third, fourth. That is D. Dash is the 15th letter of the sentence. That is C. Okay. This is next. Dash is the 13th letter of the sentence. Again, next page there are some boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Dash is the 30th letter of the sentence. 30th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20. That is T. This is second page. Dash is the 5th letter of the sentence. First, second, third, fourth, 5th. That is E. Dash is the 9th letter of the sentence. Again read it. 1, first, second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. That is H. Dash is the 6th letter of the sentence. First, second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th. M. Next, dash is the 10th letter of the sentence. First, second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. E. Dash is the 8th letter of the sentence. First, second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. That is T. Common mistakes which we will do. They have given here fourth. Everybody will do fourth spelling F-O-R-T-H. That is wrong. Correct one is F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Then ninth, N-I-N-E-T-H, many will do, but that is N-I-N-T-H. 19th, N-I-N-T-E-E-N-T-H, 19th they will write, but that is N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N-T-H. Okay. Identify the positions of an object in a line. They have given one picture. Okay. We should identify the positions of this picture. Okay. Now identify. A boy has placed the toys in a line. Identify their position and write them in the circle. One is done for you. The tortoise is at the first place. See the animals in their orders and then you write it. The cow is at the dash place. So first one they have written. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 circles. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The cow is at the dash place. Where is the cow? First. So first one is tortoise. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th. So cow is in 7th place. Okay, write 7th. Once again you count it. Tortoise is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th. So cow is in 7th place. The deer is at the place. Where is the deer? The deer is in first, second, third place. The lion is at dash place. Where is the lion? First, second, third, fourth, 5th place. Lion is in 5th place. Next, the tiger is at the dash place. Tiger is at 6th place. First, second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th place. The rabbit is at the 2nd place. The monkey is at the dash place. Where is monkey? First, second, third, fourth. So, monkey is in 4th place. So, these answers you write in your textbook. Okay, there is a place to write. In this box also you should write. In the circles also you should write. And we will continue in the next class about giving some worksheets and practice work is there. So, we will do that in the next class. Suppose if you don't have textbook, come to school and purchase the textbook, do the homework properly and maintain the fair notebook properly. So whatever you will write this, you have to write in your fair notebook also. Okay, thank you.